Orofo Mimo Akwaba, latest and hot news. Era me bro. Eruti se unyan subscribe dia bomodia se over subscribe to channel. Now I like video no give us a thumbs up. Nafi share na wo foforo so enye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanum. Eye Ken Ofori Atta eye former finance minister da so ejina na kache e de ensem no ba na eba. Na the ABP woman say a year Ken Ofori Atta ye ice for Kwachere no allegedly say obi na come tip off. Na yen nim say Ken Ofori Atta okupio America mem na or fight say obenya permanent stay na enamo no so na ye ice for no a year immigration and custom enforcement for a Kwachere no say omede na okupio a detention center. Na ye mrenim for me no bi akasa ba ko ye Ken lawyer ena ba so ede nsembi atudwa na intentemara mepese ye bekutie eye one nsema one de atudwa efa eye Ken Ofori Atta eye eyes for achero no yekutie eye sasebe no yenti.
Constitutional law lecturer and private legal practitioner Justice Abdullahi, who has expressed frustrations over the delay in fast-tracking the prosecution of the former finance minister. Counsel, here we are today. We understand that ICE may have been given a tip-off which led to his detention. And indeed, just before we go into that, it would appear that Ghanaian authorities have a window to grab Ken Ofori Atta. Would you say same?
Indeed. Actually, my hope that the authorities in Ghana will take advantage of the situation and put in some gestures that would ultimately inure to our benefit with his detention. Let's remember that once ICE detains a person, the whole essence is to deport the person for and there is an opportunity for an expedited deportation without any hearing. And that is a good window that the Foreign Ministry together with the Attorney General's office can take advantage of to get him expedited, because normally if you wait for the person to be put before court, it could take a while for this to happen, and might not even happen, considering the circumstances of the case. And remember, we need to remember that because of the cases or the potential charges against him, it could aid in our ability to get him come here on an expeditious basis. Unfortunately, because of the political connotations, it could also serve as a deterrent, or it could play to his advantage if he's also able to play that card very well in his favor. But on the balance, Ghana has a better opportunity now to get him deported without even having to go through the extradition processes.
I see. I want to bring in John Kwesen also, who is the constitutional lawyer on this subject matter. And I hear you, Justice, when you say it's a fine opportunity for the for Ghanaian authorities to now pounce in and bring home the former finance minister. But then to John, what will be the processes at this time when Justice tells us that, look, you don't have to even go through the courts as previously mentioned?
Okay, thank you very much. I think where they have gotten to now is a very strategic period, and then also I would say it doesn't favor Honorable Ken Ofori Atta at this point in time. And it didn't come just on the split of the moment. This is something that has been orchestrated all along. And if you recall, within this short period of a year, the Ghana government has collaborated enough with the U.S. government. We've been 4 Ghanaians, okay? When this internet campaign came, they already in U.S. In and U.S. function had to be in court. Then also, quite recently, we also hear of this Swedro case. So all this didn't just come up. Everything has been orchestrated and well coordinated. So at this point, I think the U.S. is also trying to pay us back by giving to us Ken Ofori Atta to come and face.
You think that is what this is?
Exactly so. You see,
why do you think that is what this is?
Of course, it was already in the news. And the way the government were going about things, okay, government functions, the speed with which they were making effort in extraditing Ghanaians to the U.S. specifically, should tell you that there have been some conversations between Ghana's official and then the U.S. official. It wouldn't have just come on a silver platter like that, that your own citizens, you'll be more than willing and happier to send them. And the Attorney General has on countless occasions also come public in his public engagement and told Ghanaians that there is some correspondence between Ghana government and the U.S. government. It will only take a matter of time. And I think that time is this particular moment.
That time is now.
And there's nothing for that can do at this point.
Oh, is that the case? I'll come back to, I'll take you up on that. But I'll turn to Justice Abdullahi now because I want us to look at ICE itself as an immigration enforcement agency. We know that they have been accused of grabbing people whose stay in the U.S. continue to be legal. If you read that letter from Minka Premo and co, you read in that they say that he is already going through the process for an adjustment of status, which means that he can legally live in the U.S. What challenge do you think that could pose for his return home, whether by deportation or through our authorities?
Well, so much as his change of status, if it works out, could potentially inure to his benefit by way of getting him to regularize his stay in the U.S., it does not in any way also prevent ICE from deporting him to Ghana on good grounds. They can always, and the advantage here is that is yet to be decided upon. And so that window between now where when his status has not changed and his presence in the United States remains unlawful, if you like, because so long as your status hasn't changed, that period, unless you have a permit to stay within that period, the window period that was waiting for your status to change, can be a strong reason for you to be sent home. Usually, once you put in the application, you are allowed to stay until the status is completely changed. But in this particular case, I'm only praying that he has not received any confirmation of his ability to stay, in fact, which is actually why the lawyers are pushing for him to be placed before an immigration court. Because once you put before immigration court, that is where, if a positive finding is made in his favor, on the basis of whatever argument that they may advance before the court, then he could stay. But my advocacy here consistently remains the fact remains that we should not even wait for that to happen. Let's get him brought to return here before that process even commences. Because if we're able to do that, we have a better advantage. If we wait before for him to be sent to the immigration court, then we leave our chances to be decided upon by a judge who might be impartial in making a decision. But at this point, ICE can bring him with or without an immigration court saying so.
I see. And so then you'd agree with John when he says there's nothing he can do at this point?
Well, there are a lot that he can do, which is some of which I have already outlined. That first, once his lawyers have invoked the authorities, the procedures within ICE, he can be placed before a court immediately, and he could be released on bond upon posting a bond or upon stated grounds. He could be released on bail. Now, when that happens, then getting him would then have to go through the original means of getting him extradited, which is a longer process that doesn't favor us. This one favors us, and this one is faster, it is easier, and this one can get the good people of Ghana the best news of the new year.
I see, John, it's time of the essence here in terms of local authorities here in Ghana and the ability to bring Ken home.
Yeah, if I mean, there's nothing Ken can do at this point in time. The emphasis is on the fact that this is a well-orchestrated arrangement. It didn't just come overnight. There is a serious communication between Ghana government and the U.S. government. But you see, U.S. is U.S. When they want to do something, they take their time. If they want to favor you, they will favor you. But when the time comes that there is nothing else they could do to assist you, they come hard at you.
So you think that, you know, ICE is just being used so that the U.S. can do Ghanaian authorities the favor of returning the former finance minister home?
Of course, otherwise they wouldn't have even detained him in the first place. Mind you, Honorable Ken Ofori Atta is a darling boy of the Americans. Okay? He's an integral part of the U.S. government. So all this while that they were refusing in bringing him, it might have happened that he had also assisted the U.S. to some extent over the years.
But you're just speculating.
Come again?
That you are just speculating.
Oh, we are in the system. We follow international politics and then the in and out of what goes on in other countries. Otherwise, he would have been brought to Ghana a long time ago. It doesn't take 1 week to extradite someone. Because Ghana has also signed a extradition treaty. U.S. is also a signatory to that. And especially when I have indicated that the U.S. demanded some favors from Ghana government in sending our citizens to the U.S. And this is an arrangement of a sort. If I give you this, what do you also have in return? And at that point, Ghana's ultimate request is that bring Ken Ofori Atta. Okay, then bring this scam boys and have him back. But as to the time he will be brought, that is where the U.S. was strategic about, because they knew that his visa was going to expire at any point in time. Let me give you also this Mahamadu Bawumia, somewhere a month or two ago, in the heat of the moment, commented somewhere that Ofori Atta's visa, he hears that Ofori Atta's visa was going to expire somewhere in February. So obviously, when that time comes, the U.S. government wouldn't do anything much. And this is the time. He has been put on remand as we speak. So there's no amount of legalities or technicalities.
I see, gentlemen, I want us to end our conversation now, but Justice, I'll give you the last word. Do you agree with John that this could be a favor returned to Ghanaian authorities using ICE?
That would be very difficult to say, but I do not think that if it is the case, it is not out of place, because I think the concerns have been echoed enough that we are too willing to send our people to the dungeon. But when the table turns, the United States has been rather unfulfilling in its obligations towards us. So if this is one of such, I think it's a good thing, but I do not know, I'm unable to say with any level of certainty whether it is or not. But if it is a good one. We expect more of such cooperation and commitment towards each other in the fight against crime, in all its forms.
Very well, gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. Justice Abdullahi, constitutional law lecturer, constitutional lawyer, John Kwesen, I appreciate your time on the subject matter.
Question and can a papimuno, Medinka say Nise, ye de Omampeni Akufo Addo, yastic, because Amemuno Akodaya one for Frokra, or did be see Akunyano Soa, obey Papa Sin one Bawumia.
Yem found no more news to soup.
Oh, yeah, they are sending now Yamu Hama, I sent.
Okay.
So, yes, okay. It's answer, when you need say Akodaya one for a body, Sikaka to Amena okay. And Unqua, some Nanquano. So long as some Nano, a problem. So, 31st, I want to be sorry.
Oh, I see.
I'm trying to National Cathedral.
Oh, okay.
I'm quite sorry. You could generate any more normal lock. That was a consume. Namishia major. But I call normal lock. Any more, the Sumuana, Bijan and a mini years to Tintame. Yamunko, what a National Cathedral. Ornament.
Is there a born at all?
I may do
rock below.
So for now, yes, I did. And Casana Zementenica. You know, see a Benoit Bible Modian. oh ya wo wan besie ni fufuo ni kokotire de tete wunyini ya obeka chese be no bible moja so adwene wo mutirim abi fingo a azabe kwasi 2022 Ghana inflation by December na 54% we boa.
That's true.
Me fi say Ghana fo nyina ya de esan say okay the same 2022 akrobi e friend Sri Lanka no mo president friend Gotabaya Apaska emebunu ni tu ni free so na die chiro mutu na na say with inflation edu 52%.
Oh, Sri Lanka
52% no ebie tu obi abangui you visa 54% combe convention convention president
you know
meno ka say you do Iran he ya huna do Iran he ya do Tehran capital obugu mountain so mo pam abano omso mutu omagu adaya inflation ya 40%. 40% ro e difference Iranians e Ghanaians a eyekunombeku wo hawa yesibia etumia tolerating of onsem ama bebre won mo so de to yesu
I see
ma ye de yeso so ene dia na ma politician bi won mo didi o mutirim se dia na mo de ye krom an e normal maka se krobi wo ho a ye to pipe mu even a minute asembesi
correct.
Ba obi ti adenta bia pa bon takwa wo hu before the since ya wo no na ya fan normal obi for Japan a porto ba no pa bai within 2 hours o se fix ya su de bia na atim esa se ko bo besi akura no na Kwabena ne wa face Kennedy and nti sabai ba na inflation ako 54% abedu 23% December 2024 na se ne and I'm 5.4 kwasi mede na maba betena aka se aban no emo no homode ya no obi be kana sem se Ghana we IMF yes kwa IMF etimi because ya se kire won se gu echinti nyoma no bebere ho no mo a ebe shepo but to kind the fifth review of IMF report na say in spite of the fact say na Akufo Addo de Bawumia ne Ken Ofori Atta ne otchere wo Caroline detention center Omuba in 2024 no the IMF ka so mfanya adwuma ma afanye 2024 Oma afanye adwuma ntino emma e throw bibia out of gear it means say abai so ba ye no mo ya sobrachi an komu so betumi atoa so ama na aye out of it so for them to also to be disciplined no na ene your 5.4 na chese ye beka so ma ya de ne mom de beka cho se memo mutirimu nyom de esanse adwuma ne kase na afi na de e ba be hyase ye cedi to the dollar you wa wani tia ne nkoyi embre ebedru mrebi ana ye 17 cedi ujina de ho to a ne ye sa so atum wani menye so bi na se o memese yani ye transport do jina tai ho sabu so ka Lebanese foi ojo wait a minute obetum no wait a minute obetum
says yeah
but me fi say aban bayi stability aide abemwa ye bekoso ahye onkura ne say baby e wo no nye ho ne ye pese wo emra from ne ho entoy mo debt to GDP ye kana emene ye ena abafom timeden makase enkoyi oko kan omampeni mama yedi ni siso a enema me enan no di senior ni so o si de di nkan no behwe se macroeconomic environment no be stabilizing eno ne yekeka ho se inflation exchange rate interest rate ni and from that angle we to me stabilize no the other to so me no se obehwe se the business environment no any investment climate no ayekama me fi so o nyo we biro so ye interest rate above from but they bet me aboa edwadifo and am tie governor of Bank of Ghana no ka bibi se nyempa ye nyina ne se obefiri so as a governor no na interest rate okromwa enye more than 10% eya depa esa se kwasi se ya hwe ye ne ye ntumi amo ehomode amansi ho ankofom a eno na ban so wa ye ne o manyina inflation of form so no desia no ayi boa ye bonsi ho ye de madwadifo no e wo soro a wo ye de obekọ watu nyomem eno nti ono obehwe ni yaman so far edi na ma business environment ziko yi eto basa omba so mai ile bi free o mai covid free o mai emission ene de kekam ekofo mo a eye enye de bia na to no sika no begu ye ni ankasa botom so enim de be yo yes abande bia na person chere ese ni enyusu sika fa ye would go plan for a sika nti eto no so no ekokọ fom no na efiri se ne kwa so ano de to so miensa no so be ye governance constitutional reforms ni yi me feel say o ma submit review committee na submit report o ma make some recommendations ebi won ma ye ni egitum ebi won ma feel say yes I hear from a second angle
okay
maybe to say ye omo a MPC yes ye ma ministers at the same time me ye support
okay
when ya brese opeso ye MP akoye MP adwuma na de be yi ni se minister onko minister na MP na adwuma na nkasa ya de mu o san so de ministerial na se adwuma be no aye esa se 1970 na asema ye ka no budget amuka se ya nya tum no ultimately omo gitum ba ku di ta ne bem anoti eno ye gitum o cap ministerial appointment to 57 no ye gitum because say see ye ministers was so munru
60
omunru 60
we are 58
50 I so omane ni we kura free mu no ye inform mo nche 55 no though before they no munya nru 60 wo
na or the deputy ministers be by
ebe she mo ho all right anu ntiro bibie di adanse so ma o ebetumi running effectively with even 40 ministers eje dudu owurewure kitewese because obi buy ya nipa 124 123 ministers no ye wi chire na a liter of diesel and I'm 23 cities not dollar is 17 city as no ministers in your salaries kaka near Russia Ukraine and Russia Ukraine so day koso ya bona ba so wie sa no ade ba ko di twato e wo sa inauguration address no na ya accountability
okay
operation recover the
allege
hona Ghana for no ejun se afinie sila Ghana for no eda so enu MPP aban na oso omunum mo bia anya mistake esa se ye nu omo agwango je de show mo ho no ama edi enyina so na abeka so obi otim sese de onye mo ni anoti ye be si esi omo so ani esa se metie yi auditor general's report bi ni we dem anima e fa sa ban ho tidie na me ko gina so obi ayede afa esika menyanya scandal bia because scandal de ba obi enu oni mo wa he o ana wo ye ni to wo no one very kokram one very so betare hunu so a na se wo beto so wo be discount ho na efese obi ante ana ye be kan ya gina kire wa wo be ho masa ero ko le bo bia ero de se wo na wo ye madam for sai eduru ha ye be ka
ero de
na mom operation recover luta miameni piese poalugu $12 million kofu ko chen wo bole bambo area ho na wo se wo ngoji mamia na ye kan sei
poalugu dam
poalugu ye kwa election ya ya na ye ka ya mo nka ye one day mo se da mo 1 week na ye ba ko election
Dr. Bawumia ka say wawie
wona so da mo so person ye
president project
what you say
okọ Asante FM ko cancer
oka wie ya ye ko ye na ntaabo no kwa ye tutu
$12 million
ya tie 12 million ye tie sika no Kwabena ne na giye ye ntumi nya ho hwe ena no ye nya government agboja be ka kire se ekwa mi ye from Tamale to Walewale ya kwa gi mobilization of $30 million si ebeye omo gisikere di kwa na ya anya obi enu okọ site ye die o mampani wonu wapamfo moto wo ye de sikale shenkofo ho
omudi nie
eta o se yala jeta o omudi di first se oko we ba we so mo sa be tira ma we so ba no wa ko bu wa ba
stay abze April
ba na ye mi janu a hwe November ano mampani e paw auditor general say on 13 for all Africa games omonye forensic audit No, I was saying a report in the middle of December. Your January, Master Auditor General say, "Ye review more." Of because to me, Master. Okwa brade betwa hweminu bia no anim se omo no aduane nkwa $50 million. Hey, na Yesu kura e feed multitude of Bible no no. Wo se sa kofu ene na Yesu o Bible no a ege tongana. O mo diskaro. Mo tag ya o ka say $3.6 million.
Yeah, almost $4 million.
Ya de tag.
Accreditation tax and all you know.
Ano mu wi o msa be ka kire se GBC. Na ho no se GBC director na e kan kra na se minister na etwa ntro no so no so ge $100,000 na committee ni so man $3 million no ne nyina o sie hu because broadcast companies bi o de ba so mtwe skal mom na companies no exist ba
company no
ni hompo
but it is skal mom
e koda akroma Olympic Stadium for tantam bi o de man wo e botema say cost $145 million se kromo ye mu dollar. University of Ghana na stadium esiwo yi ye wie na anisa say spend almost $34 million. And to man penis wa power auditor general and the dasa ku no forensic audit uru ensum fi ya abra Deloitte & Touche ade your friend is a management auditor account to buy for National Cathedral. I no krana anwashiro e honso mo ka se forensic audit bi
as I know adu
ye ma bibia anwo o mo adwini mu adu ya ne e wota ne ye ne adwuma ye se de bia be ka wo so se adu bibia no e be dwo ha o maza anuti National Cathedral no so se ye si wo mo so ani esanse for Ken Ofori Atta so be dwane free o mamu a ediema enioma na edi abo Ken Ofori Atta enye National Cathedral enye PDS enye SML enye your friend say ba ku bi eta to mekai na papa ye dwane na so ose afide ni kurom wo mabio ano so de sika no a na edi adwene popa na se tirimpo benti na wo di tirimuti a wo so wo mabio o mampani ora na de mure ntumi mfie yebeka kai mu eno ene ma saadi no obeka ya oka se accountability obeye ho adwuma as nsemu nsemfo na ya me bosu eno nkwa na nkofo bo mu nsema no esase ye ntumi nkoje sika $750 million said be ye kwan na omo diska no na kwan ni sio
obikura ka se president mama ba no wanya hwempo no chi omugumu
ne twan kwasi oko street ni so a because omunim say kwasi koda dwe wan ha wunje bi ma no na emom na Arrést kire so wo hu say eye kwasi na wie sika ni na ma dwe nya adwuma ya chero ya gisika no ya gi na japade ya dan ya wodam nya ya gi ya ma detention center to say the Ken Ofori Atta shewi ali na meburu ne twan yo enti ora ne de so obi ti baabi na so dada no ho anase wo abam no free say ye ne ye warefie huhum ti no first ye twem ye ba be digase a ene afekra no ma she kutupa ho ye be ka no se ne tie National Scholarship Secretariat hwa ni o matantan bi abrante ni ye wo de akoshe parliament mo ma scholarship ba had fake nkwa as o parliament she mrama me ni wi no ebe de ne ye refi o sa nyoma we o rai mu Ajima menu owe. Ono say help me this I don't want thing straight.
Yeah.
Ya the frontiers be boha, ye busa Ajima menu say frontiers uni momo se derby, Siama Minister of Transport uni momo se derby, abrantie de bia on ne mbodo so kire. Good evening Ghana. Mo friend say otchere. Wona na ya airport company de Boakye. Uni momo obia so onim say company so $94 million fakoi. Sputnik V yesika kokemu emai na yasanso aye we nyina ne asa nyankofo am ya be ka kire se 52 billion bi so every Ghana commercial bank account mu a ekoda account fufuro mu a up to date ye hu ye na sa nyoma nyina ebe de ne refi Abrantes were doing we have 5 million. Abu Jinapo. Yeah. Mechini Ghana and me who do have a cocra. I'll make you be a doing we are not.
We are washing.
What better than washing? What doing we are on the bottom? A grow up, politicians,
I don't want to cry the last unia by justice. Was that the German crack to our head one cross on crying?
I didn't. Nanya Nuchida, Ure say last year more Akufo Addo call. Bantimano could be a Bantima NPP office. Oze amemuono omu husu go ye because no boom be say na memwe ko ye se bana gamie Akufo Addo cry man run me up. Because of Benio to be Cheska brother there was no contract. National Cathedral, the first 5 million cities of the man David J. No, now procurement crowd of Thomas Escarman.
Share not to cut you. Cocoa board. Omoko J $350 million.
Fantastic.
Sound Baba rehab. 156,400 hectares. I don't know, or add another 100,000 beans
to the
Bakuna, yes,
$350 million.
Yes, $350 million. Omudi Sescano.
Omokodi.
SFA $700 million, 700 million Ghana cedis.
Asare cow.
Edika $350 million. One year. Omo 40,000.
Hey.
Omo 40,000 out of 156,400. No.
Why here the time?
Yes.
Na omocho no mokasa.
It's Cocoa rehab. 156,400 hectares. No. Only 40,000, but
Sikana
allocate for that
150,000 hectares. Omo discount. Omo yes cano. Okay, so omo yes cano. That's how we better na Ghana for ref. So we say aban for abenti. Minja sa sika we minim say e hye nkofo to ankofo num nsufin nkofo da omo fusu na etro nkofo entumi nya ka akramfa ya kwan nye no na kwabena ne afa na owi abeka che minum yenu say ya mbobra
omo ya o ma sorry o yejuma koko board me ko boss I was say e ho na nkofo bi di nya omusika oni
na say we yakro no tie ban sa the current administration dia na moye
for winning and somewhere Menimfo Eddie Atuja Engineer Ken Ofori Atta, former finance minister, a year eyes for Achera to see Wakupio detention center and no Nakoye and Sembebre. Because so when you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscriber. Now I like video no give us a thumbs up, Nafi share to our platform. Set up for so a be na ware na who and someone ekoso ewo garamemu. Also bet me atchere wadwin afaye se we nyira ho ewo comment section ho mobeti minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.